Video update on the gray car. As you can see, I took the nose off and started prepping the nose to be welded back together. See where I took the paint off and where it's broken, and I ground a little bit in the making a channel right here. You can see where it was on the old brake, and I opened that channel up and I'll re-weld that one as well. On the tip of the nose, I had a break right here from the where the kids initially ran into it, so I'm gonna redo that. And then over here you can see where I removed the paint and put a channel in it with a little grinder, and then I'm gonna take it and weld it up as soon as UPS delivers the welding rod. So there you have it, quick update. I'm gonna try and replace the inner support with a new one, but they are hard to come by. I might have to get a used one, not sure where I'm gonna get it, but I have a couple sources, a couple of ideas, and then put it all back together. Hopefully have it done really soon. There you go. See ya. Bye. Okay, I've done some of the welding on this front bumper cover. You can see right here in the last piece of the video, it was all ground, and I filled that with the filler rod with the welding rod. And here's where the big rip was, and you can see where it's all glued back together. This is the old brake, and I went back over it, over the top, you can see there. And then this is an old brake also that reopened after I fixed it, and I've welded it there and all the way down through here. Now I'm gonna take it and flip it over and do the other side. Here's the other side. Continuing on in this video with the repair, you can see right here where the new brake was. Welded that up. You can see where the old brake was, and that was an old repair, and it hung in there even through the accident, which is pretty amazing. And then fixed this tab here, built it up, and did some more repair on that. Let's see, here's a little bit of the brake on the bottom, and I fixed some of that. And you can see in here where the fender flare got torn off in my driveway, and popped that out. I welded that hole shut, and I'll re-drill it for the lower fastener for the fender flare. I also did some grinding right here and ground down some of the rough pieces with my angle grinder and some 40 grit sandpaper. But all in all, it looks pretty good. Quick recap here, if I can get it into place. There we go. So here's the new repair. Here's the old repair, new repair there. I think just to clean it up, you know, I'll probably find some gray paint or primer, and I'll do on these pieces here, I'll just grind it down like I did with that, mask it off, and shoot some gray paint on it. That way it won't be, you know, look like a battle scar, which is exactly what it is. This thing's been through hell and back, been wrecked so many times, but been lucky enough to figure out how to fix it. There you have it. See you, bye. Final video on this nose cone repair. You can see here where I have basically put a dark gray guide coat on it, so that when the body shop goes in and does their Bondo, they can see where the high spots are, so forth, and fill in. You know, and it kind of matches the gray. That's all I had. But down here, you can see I made tabs here where they were from the factory. So just to give you a little inside baseball piece here, the upper grills change between 79 and 80. So 78 and 79 upper grills are deeper and they don't have those tabs in there. And the 8081 grills are shallower and they sit on those tabs. There's 1, 2, there's one in the middle, that's 3, 4, and 5. Well, you can refit a 78 grill, 79 grill into an 8081 by removing those tabs, and then you can insert the 78, 79 grill. So long story short, this had been modified, this nose piece had been modified for 78, 79 upper grill, and all I had was an 8081 grill that I had purchased not knowing all of this. So after doing all my research and everything, I went ahead with the plastic welder and I created tabs, and then we're gonna go ahead and use the correct upper grill for this. So there you go. It's all ready to be installed. See ya. Bye.